Jabby beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Happy Friday, sunny Friday here in Sheffield. Guys, hope you are having a fabulous week and ready for the weekend. Friday, favorite day of the week, because I am gifting you, it's my way to say thank you to you guys, giving you a free printable or a couple of free printables for you guys to use in your craft. Keep watching guys, and I will see you very soon. Okay guys, welcome back on the desk. Super quick video today. I promise you. I promise under 7 minutes. I promise. So today, Friday freebie is this one. So this is part of my huge kit called Precious Photos, and I shown the kit in the beginning of the week when we made these 2 full film strips. And in that tutorial, in case you missed it, I will put the link down below. Oops, I have used this die cut here. I got it from eBay. Again, I'm not going to put a link because, you know, would be everywhere that you live in the world might be different. So, but yeah, just type film strip or like cutting die or whatever. So I have used this one to create, yeah, this really fake or full film strips, and I really like it because these are fabulous little ephemera, and I think they're quite pretty. I've never seen anything like this, so I'm not saying I will be the first one the first craft to do anything like this, but I generally never, I know I haven't seen it. Yeah, just to give you some ideas. So yeah, this is kind of like simple, and this is more like a bookmark. If you, and this is, I said in that video, these are fabulous craft fairs ideas. So if you've got somebody that loves movies or vintage books, this is a really nice bookmark, because you can buy that plastic sleeve and then put it inside so it's preserved to make sure you stay like this for a very long time. So the freebie is this page here. So what I've done, I shrunk one of the bigger pages, which I showed you again on that video, and I put into 2. So when you print it, it prints out like this. So it's basically 1 A4 but scaled in half, so you get similar size as this one there. And there is a variety of pictures, and all these pictures are from my home village in Italy. So all these are original photos that I have asked permission to use. So they're copyright free, but yeah, they are from my hometown. And these are real people, real places. I mean, this is the port where I live. Yeah, so this represent my history, my hometown, and the story of my village. And I thought I'd share that with you guys. So how you get this freebie, it's probably going to be even under 5 minutes. As usual guys, this gets emailed to you every Friday at 9 PM British time on my newsletter. So if you're not registered to my free newsletter, please do it now, because I send one, and I say one email, because sometimes when you subscribe, I don't know about you guys, but when I subscribe to business that I love and I want to be updated with what they're doing, any new product release, you get sometime like an email or 2 emails a day, and I think that's too much. With me, you just get 1 email on Friday, and that's get attached to the email. So you don't have to do anything. You just need to open your email and download this into your computer. Okay, so yeah. Or what you can do as well, you can go to my Facebook group, and it's a very interactive platform, and I cannot stress enough how wonderful I am, because not me but the group, because in there there's a lots of crafters that showcase their talents, and I will show you on the screen now. Okay guys, so this is what my Facebook group looks like. So of course your view will be slightly different from mine, because I am the owner of the group, so you guys see something different. So when you log in, when you send a request on here, if you click on files, you see all the freebies I have shared since 2021. So you've got 2 years worth of freebies. Literally just going in there. In fact, let me come back. Go in there, select what you want to download. And then you just simply automatically download it to your desktop. Okay. So if you're going back to the main homepage, okay, so this is the feature comment. So this is from Naira, this is from Patricia. They both are my lovely VIP members. And then in here you see this is a little meme I posted. Then you've got a post from Wendy, Stacy, my freebie, one of my videos, Brenda Clark. Brenda is part of my creative squad, so this is what she made with my papers. So it's a very, very interactive platform where, you know, a lot of crafters, a lot of Amber shared this lovely page corner, shared their talents and their creations, just to give, you know, some ideas to one another and share some goodness. This is what Brenda made with the tags. Very, very interactive. There are some videos. That's Patricia. Patricia's part of my VIP lounge. She joined the VIP again in May. Thank you so much, Patricia, for your love and support. So she's showcasing what she made with the papers. Okay. So as you can see, it's a very interactive platform. So I would suggest you guys joining there because you can share your ideas, you can share your videos. If you have another channel, we're all here to help one another. So that's it for today, guys. I'm going to go because it's very warm and I'm going to have a really nice cold coffee. And I hope you like it. I hope it gives you something a bit different to experiment and play with. Before we go, I just want to say a huge, big thank you to every single one of you, not just for buying the kits and support my journey, support my business, but purely because you guys watch my videos, take the time to put a thumbs up, because honestly, every time you interact with my videos, it really pushes the video on the algorithm on YouTube. So any sort of interaction that you leave is always much appreciated. Shout out today goes to the lovely Michelle. She left a comment on my recent video on the zine that I made. The feedback on that video have been phenomenal. So I just want to say thank you, and thank you to the lovely Michelle. Okay guys, thank you so much for watching. If you like my freebie, please consider giving a really big thumbs up because you're telling YouTube how much I'm fabulous. Guys, I will put a couple of videos here linked on the screen to just give you some more inspiration, some more ideas. Don't forget to follow the link that is listed down below. And thank you so much. Have a fabulous weekend. And until Monday, stay safe and well. Mwah. Bye.